Disturbing allegations. A physician here at UConn Health accused of intentionally coughing on other workers during this coronavirus pandemic. UConn police issued a misdemeanor breach of peace summons yesterday morning for Dr. Corey Edgar. They say witnesses saw him intentionally coughing on two medical employees at the health center in close proximity, and that the witnesses and medical workers believed he was purposely disregarding space and safety concerns involving the coronavirus. Again, Dr. Corey Edgar facing misdemeanor breach of peace charges. From Farmington this morning, Ashley Afonso, Fox 61 News.